He was #2 for UST last year. So sila ni Angge talaga in terms of the scoring department. Poyos in the meantime.
In just her second year with Ateneo, that's the quiet strength of Jihan, the ability to stay composed, ready, and retain her consistent presence no matter the score. It's exactly what Coach Serio has been asking for, especially from Jihan, because while this team has shown discipline on defense...
Now, Donna De Leon came off a great game as well versus UP. Poyos elevates and puts it down.
And this is going to be the strength of UST Hora.
At the first ball there. And a chance now for Ateneo. And now a chance for UST. Carvalho with a put down. Great reflexes for the Blue Eagles. Back row Poyos. That's a tough serve for Poyos. And a service ace for her 6th point of the game. UST still looking for their first point here in our second set. A high free ball. What will Ateneo do? They go to Hermosura. Anna reloads. Had to use her left hand. From the pipe, Angge Poyos. Unstoppable. Well, that's one way to get on the board. Cortez. Pasha had to adjust. Set up for Poyos.
Oh, wow.
Locked and loaded. Angge Poyos. Back here in set #2. Well, sorry, Angge Poyos. Bawal ba i-welcome muna yung viewers pabalik?
Coming from Poyos.
Siya na daw mag-open. What another great hit by Angge Poyos. Soft touch for Pasha, looking to go behind. Altea using that quickly. Carvalho will bump it. Poyos locks in. 3 straight points for Poyos. From the pipe, bring it on, sabi ni Angge Poyos. Avril Braun to serve. De Leon, one-man block. And guess who?
Casey Cortez going to De Leon and Angge Poyos was...
Deadlock at 7. JC Cortez had to chase after that ball. Carvalho able to set up. And who else to set up? Too strong on the receive. And thank you, says Angge Poyos, for that regalo. She believes she is a 6-footer in her heart. Hermosura now. What a great dig by Det. And that one is unchaseable. It's not easy. NU first, DLSU second.
And I'm sure they have learned their lessons in those back-to-back losses.
Back to Poyos. That one scraping the net. Altea opting for a soft touch. Quick counter by Chuatico. Kept alive. It's still good. Ball is live. Cortez. Hermosura. Another long rally we have here. Carvalho. Back to Angge. And Poyos scores off the block. Pepito, secondary setter. Poyos. Soft touch was red. Angge reloads. And Angge with a 20-piece. Pepito will play setter for Poyos. Tax. Hermosura covers her own hit. Carvalho now to Angge Poyos. Bang!
Angge Poyos was unshakable in that 3-set sweep against Ateneo. Whenever they needed to score a point, Angge Poyos stepped up. But for the Ateneo side, Ana Hermosura, again, the rookies in Donna De Leon tried to step up, but they lacked more scorers to be able to, keep up with the pace that UST was playing. But today, definitely Carvalho, Reg Jurado, the veteran, stepping up big, finding other scorers, and Sai Sagula coming off the bench. It was a showcase of the depth of UST. The same could be
With 21 points, 19 attacks, 1 block, and 1 ace, Queenie Angge Poyos. Congratulations, Angge. So, first question, ano yung naging drive mo para maging ganun yung performance mo sa game?
Siguro for me, motivated lang talaga ako today na maglaro kasi nga coming from 2 consecutive losses, talagang motivated ako maglaro and motivated akong bumawi, and with the help of my teammates din naman, with the coaches, and kung ano yung ginawa namin sa training, talaga in-apply lang namin today para makabawi.
And with that first win, ano namang meaning nun for you and for your season 88 campaign?
Siguro boost ng confidence din tong first win namin. It's our first win and straight set, so very thankful and happy din ako na talagang tsinaga namin. Ayun, may mga lapses man kami sa loob ng court kanina. Talagang tsinaga and tinrabaho namin hanggang matapos yung game.
Okay, last, is there anyone you want to greet?
Binabati ko nga po pala yung buong UST community, yung family ko na nasa ball ngayon, and sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa UST Women's Volleyball Team, maraming salamat po.
That's it for our player of the game, Queenie Angge Poyos. Now back to you, Jaime and Ayel.